हेलो। वेलकम टू केन स्टडीज CAPF AC 2020 का जो इंटरव्यू चल रहा है। तो उसमें हमने फर्स्ट डे का एक्सपीरियंस आपको बताया था। कुछ कैंडिडेट, दो कैंडिडेट का हमने फर्स्ट डे का आपको ट्रांसक्रिप्ट दिखाया था। उसी सीरीज में हम फर्स्ट वीक में हुए कुछ और कैंडिडेट का ट्रांसक्रिप्ट दिखाते हैं जो हमसे जुड़े हुए हैं। ऑब्वियसली सबका पॉसिबल नहीं होता है क्योंकि सारे कैंडिडेट प्रॉपर फॉर्म में नहीं देते हैं। कुछ हैं कि ठीक है, फ़ोन पे बता दिए कि यस ये एक्सपीरियंस रहा। तो एवरीथिंग को रिकॉर्ड करना, एवरीथिंग को प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट में करना ये पॉसिबल नहीं होता। तो जो कैंडिडेट कुछ एक ने जो हमें प्रोवाइड कराया उसको हम आपको यहाँ प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं। कुछ का बहुत अच्छे तरीके से फॉर्मेट में प्रोवाइड कराते हैं। कुछ लोग जो मेमोरी रहा उसको एज सिंपल प्रेजेंट कर दिए। ठीक है, क्योंकि सब कैंडिडेट का अलग अलग जो एक्सपीरियंस होता है, सब कैंडिडेट का हैबिट अलग अलग होता है। सब कैंडिडेट अलग अलग टाइप के इंटरेस्ट लेते हैं। तो इस सीरीज में मैं आगे आपको दिखा रहा हूँ। और तो ऑलरेडी हमने दो कैंडिडेट का दिखाया था, तो उसका ऑलरेडी आपने फर्स्ट डे वाले में देखा। और यदि नहीं देखा तो ठीक है, आप उसका लिंक जो है इस वीडियो में मिल जाएगा। तो ये कैंडिडेट का BB व्यास सर यानी भारत भूषण व्यास सर का बोर्ड, उत्तराखंड होम स्टेट, BSc केमिस्ट्री ऑनर्स, चेयरमैन सर। क्वेश्चन वन, व्हाट इज इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस एंड हाउ इट कैन बी एक्वायर्ड। बोर्ड सर, चेयरमैन सर से कि आई ऑल्सो डोंट नो द आंसर, जस्ट से व्हाट यू फील, मीन्स जस्ट टू मेक द कैंडिडेट फील कंफर्टेबल। ऐसा ऑब्वियसली है, द बोर्ड चेयरमैन एंड मेंबर्स आर नोइंग बट दे मेक यू feel comfortable. So next question is, what is aerosol, why in the news recently? And following question, what is aerosol, what is preventive detention? And following question, and any recent example. देखो सम टाइम क्या होता है कि कुछ कैंडिडेट का यस फुल रूप में क्वेश्चन दिए, कुछ लोग इन सिंपल देते हैं। तो उसमें क्या है कि क्वेश्चंस फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन की उसके बाद क्रॉस क्वेश्चन, उसके ऊपर रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन। ठीक है, तो ये प्रिवेंटिव डिटेंशन का रिसेंट एग्जांपल। व्हाट इज इंटरनल सिक्योरिटी, जो चैलेंजेस वगैरह और अदर हैं, तो सम एग्जांपल्स। डू यू थिंक रीजनलिज्म एंड कम्युनलिज्म अफेक्ट इंटरनल सिक्योरिटी। फिर है मेंबर वन, व्हाट इज योर एज। ऑब्वियसली इनका एज बहुत कम था, तो ITBP एज फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस, सो दे सॉक्ड एंड आस्क्ड व्हाई। आर यू माउंटेन क्लाइंबर, DAF से रिलेटेड। आर यू इंटरेस्टेड इन जियोपॉलिटिक्स, ऑल्सो DAF से रिलेटेड। मीन्स जो इन्होंने जिस फॉर्मेट में दिया, मैंने मेजोरिटी में चेंजेस नहीं किया है। जो कैंडिडेट ने दिया है मोर और लेस हेयर एंड देयर, यदि कॉमा डॉट्स कोई स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक उसको मैंने ये करके, अदरवाइज मैंने एज सच ही रहने दिया है। ठीक है, तो टेल मी व्हाट कुड हैव बीन डन टू अवॉइड केओस इन अफगानिस्तान। You mentioned of Doha agreement. Do you think because of this Taliban has turned to Taliban 2.0? Is this Taliban 2.0 good or bad? Why is China interested in Afghanistan? Forget economic aspects, sir gave hint, then asked to continue in that. Means without economic aspect, other aspects, geopolitical, strategic, other things. Member three, his name was Sivankur. So he asked, Sivankur, very interesting is your name. Can I read it as Siv plus Ankur? Told him the history behind naming me. This means candidate tell about that history. So during COVID second wave, name some chemicals used to cure, because already you see the person, the candidate is graduate in chemistry. So how they work to prevent it? You play cricket. Tell me what you do. Means in which position you are. Either you are batsman, bowler, or whatsoever. Name some wicket keepers. Since he said wicket keeper as. So you are forgetting some recent one. I said Rishabh Pant. Chairman sir interrupted me and said he looks like you, and smiled. Next, member four. You are from Uttarakhand. Tell me, despite having several disasters, Uttarakhand still a state still doesn't know how to fight disasters. Why? Odisha administration is very efficient. They face cyclone regularly, but still they are very good in managing it. What can be done in Uttarakhand to replicate the same? Means lessons learned from Odisha. tourism in Uttarakhand is not booming despite its potential is very high. If we compare it to say Rajasthan, etc., then why the situation is? What can be done to improve tourism in Uttarakhand? So what is the status of hotel industry in Uttarakhand is related to a state? Is it good or we lack good hotels in Uttarakhand? During second wave, there was Kumbh Mela in Uttarakhand. What are your views on it? Obviously, due to Kumbh, many people get infection. So, do you you have done several quiz means DAF? That means you can answer anything. I said, sir, I participated in class 11th last time. Chairman sir said, don't worry, go for it. Means they asked some rapid fire type of question related to the quiz ability. So date of Quit India movement, Atacama desert location, Sachin Tendulkar test century, Messi recent football club, a monkey jump incident of Javed Miadad, etc. Means some rapid fire question related to quiz skills. Chairman, sir, closing question. Why should we select you despite having so many candidates outside? So it was his last question. So this was his candidates. Obviously, questions he gave. He said obviously some question he missed. But anyway, that candidate said, "Sir, I really enjoyed the interview. It was one of the exciting experience of my life, and I was enjoying the things." First, when I communicated after coming from interview, he said, "Sir, I enjoy so much that I still at this time I'm forgetting the question what they asked. So once I'll get comfortable, I'll send." So later he sent the things. Okay, next another candidate, fourth candidate, BB Vyas sir, same board as candidate 3. So chairman sir, meaning of geosynchronous and polar synchronous orbits. Okay, and following question. Is physical fitness necessary for officers? What is cooperative federalism? And what is diplomacy? And also means following question ki, if some question is asked, then cross question and related questions are asked. Number 2, question of northeast geography and following question. Force preference and following question. Why is China interested in Afghanistan and other related questions? Next, number 3, what is a snake anti-venom, how it is made, means a snake behavior and other observation, he was hobby. Okay, so what is the difference between a vaccine and an antidote? So obviously related to a snake behavior related. Was Dasrath right in marrying 4 times? Express your views on the Bali Sugriv incident, since also he wrote Ramayana and Mahabharata incident. Was killing Bali correct? So will you kill a person who is a visible threat? So number 4, what are the threats to India's national security? What is radicalization and how to counter it? How to counter hate on social media? Views on Abhimanyu, since here Ramayana and Mahabharata was his hobby, means he has different types of hobby, unusual. So questions were asked. Whom do he fight in the Chakravyuh? What day was it when Abhimanyu was killed? So chairman sir was cordial, good experience. Some more question. Actually, he obviously a candidate while writing forget some question. So later he said ki some more question were asked. 2+2 dialogue was also asked. A reason for other sports to lack also asked, means why cricket is getting too much importance in India and no other game. So also landslide, what is Earth's core, criticality of Earth's core, and other related questions. Some he said ki still I am missing 1 to 2 question, but anyway it was his experience. Next candidate 5. Okay, so Manoj Soni sir board. Here also obviously question Manoj Soni sir board, duration 40 minutes. Chairman sir, village name and its history. So why distance education? Obviously he did education. Okay, he did education in distance learning. That's why villagers in CAPF. Okay, any people and other related. Means or ends, what should one focus? Okay, कि Gandhi ji said na कि you should not only take care about your ends, but you should take care about your means also. Guerrilla warfare, Naxalism, jungle warfare, a school in Northeast, SDG, Sustainable Development Goals, tree plantation, motto of CISF and SSB. Member 2, lakes, COP, COP26, India's target, carbon footprint, etc. Member 3, Manipur ambush, ozone layer, airplane hijack, metro security planning, relay race, night camp in jungle. Means in short, he gave the things. Obviously, chairman these questions in member 1, member 2, member 3. So chairman sir say thanks. So he gave that in short form. So this is about a candidate 5. Next, candidate 6, BB Vyas sir board chairman. What you are doing since graduation, means in 2008 graduation. I asked him to reply in Hindi, but he didn't allow. Okay. He didn't allow. What is your optional in CSE? I said preparing for CAPF and CSE. So lot of question on PSIR, public political science and international relations. Which thinker you study in political science? Relationship between Israel and India. What kind of technologies we are taking from Israel? Iron Dome versus S-400 missile defense system. Number 1, difference between Hobbes and Rousseau's social contract theory, since political science and international relationship options. Optional. Which thinker is your favorite? Question on Marxism and his theory of alleviation of poverty. Okay. Alleviation of poverty. Relationship between Iran and Israel. How India is managing this rivalry. What qualities does Rajasthani people have? List 4 of them. Tell us about Rana Sanga, means candidate belongs from Rajasthan. Member 2, why cricket is not in Olympic? What about kabaddi? So related to hobby. Why relationship between Qatar and Saudi Arabia is not good, though they are Sunni country? So international relations, same optional subject. So criminalization of politics, how we can improve the situation? Give suggestions for robust economic growth of Rajasthan. Overall, board was cordial. So related to mainly your DF, no outside almost. Next, candidate 7. You did your civil engineering in 2018. What have you been doing for the past 3 years? Let us start with civil engineering. Is there a difference between magnitude and intensity of an earthquake? Since we are focusing so much on infrastructure and connectivity in Northeast, there is a viewpoint that more connectivity will make it easy for Naxal and insurgents also to escape. So we should not build infrastructure, means should we not build infrastructure? What are your views? If you are the commandant in a Naxal area, will you recommend the building of roads or not? So related to infrastructure means civil engineering. What is disaster resilient infrastructure? Same. Do you know about coalition for disaster resilient infrastructure? How are national highway numbered? What is the what difference do you see in national highway, a state highway, expressway in terms of design and building material? Suppose there is an earthquake in your posting area, how will you respond? This UPSC building, do you think is earthquake resistant? What changes would you suggest? Means related to mainly majority. Actually, na majority question is from civil engineering. Okay. Member 1. So you mentioned you are from Haryana. What are the things Haryana is famous for? It is said that Haryana has agriculture but no culture. What do you think? So what was the role of farmers of Haryana in farm bill agitation? Do you think the Haryana government handled the protest effectively? What are your views? There are some movies based on Haryana recently released in Bollywood. Can you name them? You mentioned you have been into sports activities. Where does India's performance stand at global level in various sports? Since you mentioned revival of hockey, who is regarded as the major contributor in recent revival of hockey in India? So this is also related to DAF only. Chairman sir, majority question related to civil engineering, and member one related to a state mainly. So member two, do you think if India legalizes betting in sports, it will be a good option? But English Premier League is world famous and also legalizes betting. Why not India then? Don't you think that if we legalize betting, Indian government can generate revenues to promote other sports? What is your first preference amongst all CAPF? How will you contribute your academic knowledge in CISF? Suppose there is data security issue at some critical installation, how will you respond to it using your technical knowledge? So related to means DAF. Number three, you mentioned that you are a teacher also. What subject do you teach? Obviously, this is also related to DAF. Can you name some chapter or topic of science textbook which you teach? Life processes. Which life process do you think is the most important for human beings? How does control and coordination work in living beings? Suppose you are commanding officer, explain to us in scientific language what is COVID-19, why there is no need to worry from COVID, how can we prevent it? So related to situation. Next, another candidate number 8, RN Chaube sir board. Hobby, traveling and playing a street game. Education means BTech IT. Current job, assistant system engineer in Tata Consultancy Services, location Delhi. This is the about candidate. Although it was afternoon, but I wished good morning, so my bad. Chairman sir, hi Vishal, please sit comfortably. We want to talk with you, talk to you. I want a smile till end. Okay, obviously the candidate was initially smiling, so board says, chairman sir said, yes, keep this smile till end. Tell us about your academic qualification and job experience. How will you use IT and information technology in your internal security job? Do we have restricted search engine like China? Why can't we have, since job related to information technology? Why Indian talent go outside India in IT sector, means brain drain like things, or outsourcing and other related follow question. Number one, how you came from Bombay to Delhi? Do you like adventurous sports? Any experience, means sports related to? Then why didn't you choose ITBP over CISF? Why CISF as first preference? Organize hockey tournament in your college in 8 priority steps. Why do you want to come from corporate to CAPF? Okay. Number 2, tell me 2 topics which you didn't prepare. Okay, didn't prepare. काफी फोर्स किया इस पे, बट मैंने इधर उधर का जवाब देता रहा, ठीक है ना. Why don't you get 100% scholarship even after scoring 10 CGPA? Okay, so actually he was getting 50% scholarship. What in what is UN peacekeeping force? What it does, who sent it, means current scenario and other related follow-up questions. What do you mean by economic sanctions? What is your opinion on Article 370 revocation? So this was the things. Number 3, what do you mean by a street game? Hobby was a street game. Any future of a street game? Do street games really have any relevance? You are a stand on kabaddi, in which category it falls? Means a street game or a formal game or other types. So what you did as event coordinator in college, how it benefited you? What challenges are there from Taliban rule for India? Do we need to talk to them? What is your stand on this? Chairman, do you want to tell us anything? Give one highlight. Overall, Codel board. This is the experience. Next, candidate 9, he just gave in short form what is geopolitics and geoeconomics, India's position in Indo-Pacific, challenges of ITBP. Actually, following questions are there. Pressure variation in atmosphere and region. What is Article 25? How altitude is measured and related question. Fake currency and its impact. GI tags. AK-203 weapon. Okay, so following questions were there. Obviously, cross questions are there. So in short, this wrote this about this. Next, it is about candidate 10, RN Chaube sir. They make really comfortable. We know you don't know everything. If you don't know anything, please simply tell us. Obviously, board chairman sir, make comfortable. Committed a silly mistake, said good morning instead of good afternoon. Obviously, many candidates are doing that. Your name seems to be quite difficult, especially your Punjabi friends would have found it difficult to pronounce. I said, yes, sir, with a smile. So you are a computer specialist. Is India adequately prepared for cyber security as of today? Means related to, obviously the candidate was working, so related to education and other work experience. How can you help as computer science specialist in CAPF? Who is your closest friend? Why he gets along with you? Okay, so you were born in Mathura. What is the significance of the place? Obviously related to DAF. Okay, what two lessons from Mahabharata you can apply as CAPF AC, assistant commandant? Mathura has the problem of widows being left by their families. What are your comments on that? Which is the biggest threat to India's internal security? What measures can be taken? Issues among people of Punjab. Anything else you wish to tell us? I said no. He asked me about my project related to a space settlement. I told him about two projects. Your interview is over, Prajwal. You can go. Another mistake, you forget to take your mask along. Means one mistake actually he did while saying ki, good morning, means even after good afternoon. Okay, so this was the things ki, this is this candidate's experience. Majority question related to DAF only. This is the last candidate's experience. Dr. Manoj Soni Sarboard, Rajasthan, place mechanical engineering, listening music on FM, running and physical exercise, NCC cadet. Okay, so chairperson sir, are you from village area? Okay, what is size of your village population? Are you first one from a village to reach interview stage? Tell me internal security related challenge after 10 years in Rajasthan. How to control drugs? Okay. What is new BSF jurisdiction? Obviously, recently the jurisdiction of BSF in some states were increased and in some states it decreased. That's why. Meaning of jurisdiction in simple word, how it helps to forces in Rajasthan to control smuggling. What is your force preference? Why ITBP last? Member 1, why CAPF after engineering? Should military training made compulsory? Which country have such provision and why? SRT, situation response test. You have captured known terrorist and subordinate pressuring to give third-degree torture and kill by weapon. What will you do? SRT2, you have two assistant commandant. One is courageous and second is intelligent. Whom will you select for operation? SRT3, how will you measure depth of a whale in jungle? Member 2, what is FM radio? Obviously hobby. What is difference between FM and AM? Difference between ultrasonic, supersonic and hypersonic. How ITBP communicate in a border area? What will you how will you live in mountainous area? Tell me name of medals which is only for tri service and not for CAPF. Medal for CAPF and motto of NCC since he did NCC. Number 3, tell me 4 qualities you learn from mechanical engineering, since the background is mechanical engineering, which will help you in CAPF. Full form of PERT what do you uh, what do we do in PERT and CPM? So critical path method and program evaluation and review technique. Actually, it is used as uh, tools. Okay. So you have to lead a troop in Rajasthan for 70-kilometer long route. Tell me 5 most important things you will carry, and weight of things should be less than 20 kg. Obviously, it should be carryable. Tell me 5 machines related to theory of machine subject which used in army. Tell me use of pulley and plank in forces, means mechanical engineering. So what do you know about mirrors? Which concept of science is used? Tell me process of total internal reflection. How will you train your troops in Rajasthan in mirage like situation? Okay, so this was there. So in total, I tell you about 11 candidate in this series, 9, and in first day 2 candidate. Obviously there are many more candidate. It is not possible to include all, and whosoever gave in proper way I communicated. Obviously in some more for coming batches, obviously I will include some more, and that in proper way. Actually what happens ki if I am explaining every candidate related to the DAF and the experiences, so it will take long route. So I thought ki yes, in simple I should give you this experience for remaining candidate whose interview are still not conducted and will be conducted in coming days, and also for 2021 candidate and those who are aspiring. Okay, so if you have any questions, query or doubts, you can text me on WhatsApp, this WhatsApp number or this Telegram number. Okay, if you want interview for remaining candidate, if you are interested, you can contact on this given number. Okay, thank you.